Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as usual, you all know I always introduce AI tools that help you to generate videos and pictures and a lot of things. All right, and in today's video, I'm going to be introducing us to another tool which is called Short AI. Now, this Short AI helps you to create bulk shorts videos and also help you to grow your channel. Like if you are just a new YouTube channel, you're just starting a new YouTube channel, this tool literally help you to grow your channel. And it's so simple and so easy. Like if you want to start a TikTok account, if you want to grow you want to create short videos, anything, when you come over here, it's going to do all of that for you. So it's AI clip maker that turn long form videos and a lot of things. Like guys, when you come over to this tool, you see a lot of things, see samples, see templates of what this tool can do for you. Like it's the fastest way to create pro faceless video. It's the fastest way. If you are looking for the fastest tool, you don't need to struggle or do anything. The only thing you just need to do is just give it a prompt, then boom, your video is ready. So guys, if you are seeing this tool for the first time, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel as I always upload amazing content like this. So all right, so what you're going to do, you come over to your Chrome browser and search for Short AI. So when you come over, you sign up. When you sign up, you're going to be given a welcome credit, right? That is for free user. So if you find this tool helpful, you can consider subscribing to their premium version to keep generating. And the beautiful part is that you can turn a long form video to short clips. So if you have a long form video, you can bring it here, upload it, then it's going to clip it for you into short. It's going to look for the most amazing part and turn it into short clips for you. This is so amazing and so much amazing. So it saves stress, it saves time and a lot of things. So you can come over and check their review and see people's stories and how it has been helping them making earning, and you can be creating content for people, create for people and get paid. Like this is so amazing, guys. So if you are seeing this tool, try it out and tell me in the comment section if it really worked for you, and trust me, it's going to work for you. So all right, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to sign in. I'm going to sign up. Let's sign up a new account and see how this works. Like guys, so amazing. So we're going to continue with Google. So I'll come over and select one Google account. So after doing that, then you can see I should give it so I'm going to do that. So now I want to test it and see everything, like how it works. Guys, this is so amazing and so beautiful. So let's come to our dashboard to start creating for free. Let's do that right away. So you can see these are all, you can see it for yourself. Like there are any points or anything here, you can see it for yourself. It works and it's so amazing. So guys, so now we're going to come to AI. You can do AI story, video, a lot of things. So I'm making this video for review sake, so you can just check it out and see everything for yourself. Like guys, this is so amazing and so it's worth it. Like guys, it's worth it, like you trying it out for yourself. So if you try this out and it worked perfectly for you, let us know in the comment section and see how this works for you. And also you see the link, I'm going to attach the link to this video so that you can also get access to this link. And whenever you click on the link, you are going to get commission whenever you sign in for the pro. All right, so you are going to get discounts to say. All right, so guys, let's see this tool. This tool is super amazing, so super amazing. So guys, I want you to try this out for yourself and see how it works. So you see the AI story maker. You just come over and paste in your prompt. When you paste in your prompt, then you click on generate. Then in short seconds, in few seconds, your video will be made available and ready for download. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell and check the description button. I'm going to attach the link to this tool for you, right, to use this tool for free. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.